Jeep just quietly dropped a bombshell that is about to completely flip the off-road world on its head. Forget everything you know about the four-door Gladiator, because Stellantis has officially greenlit the return of a legendary 1980s icon, the 2028 Jeep Wrangler Scrambler. But this isn't just a basic trim package or a lazy cash grab. Jeep is building a dedicated, high-performance monster designed to dominate the desert. And if you think it's just a standard Wrangler with a truck bed, you're dead wrong. Because what they are hiding under the hood changes the game entirely.
That's right. While every other automaker is killing off high-displacement engines for tiny, buzzing turbo four-cylinders, Jeep is going completely rogue for its ultimate halo truck. Confirmed directly from Stellantis investor documents, the flagship Scrambler is wearing an SRT badge. That means we are looking at the return of the absolute holy grail, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8, pumping out at least 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Jeep is building a direct V8-powered rival to the Ford Raptor R and Ram TRX, but in a platform that is significantly smaller and nimbler. But wait until you see how they're designing the cabin, because it features a massive structural plot twist.
Look at it from the side and you'll see a classic regular cab two-door silhouette. But here's the magic trick. Jeep has actually stretched the doors just a bit and engineered a highly unique modular four-seat interior layout. Even crazier, insiders report that the second-row seats can physically flip and rotate backward, giving you old-school, vintage-style jump seats when you take the rear roof section off. It's part trophy truck, part convertible, and part ultimate tailgater. But purists are already losing their minds over a massive mechanical change Jeep is making underneath the body.
For decades, the standard Wrangler formula has been simple: solid front and rear axles. It's perfect for slow rock crawling, but terrible for high-speed desert running. Well, the 2028 Scrambler is officially breaking tradition. Jeep is swapping in an independent front suspension, IFS, and potentially an independent rear setup too. This turns the Scrambler from a slow-moving trail crawler into a high-speed desert pre-runner. It means better high-speed handling, massive wheel travel, and a much more comfortable ride on the highway. But this radical new suspension setup hides a secret utility feature that standard trucks can't match.
The biggest complaint about midsize trucks like the Gladiator is that the bed is simply too small for serious gear. Jeep solved this by designing a continuous utility floor. Because the cab and the bed share a modular footprint, you can fold the rear seats completely flat, open up the midgate, and merge the interior floor seamlessly with the truck bed. You get a massive cargo box capable of hauling full-size adventure gear without forcing the truck to have a massive, unmanageable wheelbase. It is pure genius engineering.